Once your GA11 VoIP adapter arrives, you will find the adapter, the power adapter, and the Ethernet cable. OK, here I have my existing landline phone. This is not a VoIP phone, but with the Fanvil adapter, we will turn it into one. Step 1. Insert your existing BT telephone cable into the FXS port of the adapter and connect the other end of the cable to your phone. Step 2. Take your power adapter and slide up the top pin. Once done, plug it into the wall socket and the other end to the adapter. Step 3. Connect the Ethernet cable to your adapter and into your internet router. And that's it. Now your phone is a VoIP phone and ready to make calls. Please note, do not press the factory reset button, as this will erase all pre-configured settings. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call on 0800 112 5000.